these fancy coffee cups. It's actually a very strong plastic, this. Doing personalized plastic cups here. Got our individual names. It's a very nice type of plastic. I don't know if you can hear it. Done with this company. We're doing just a simple 3-word or 4 words: name, live, love, and sparkle. Alright, so we were just heating up the product where we're going to brand. Very simply. Heating up the product helps with transferring the logo a lot easier. We can turn our heat gun off. Applying our activator supplied by Uprint SA. Just using a cloth, a cotton cloth, and rubbing it into the surface. You can use your palm. It's like a cream. It feels like coconut oil on the hands. It's not bad for the skin at all. Okay, we're taking our delaminated yellow paper, just creasing it. It's not touching each other, but we're just creating a little bend, so then when we apply the logo to the surface, it's sitting at a bit of an arch, and it allows you to place the logo without touching the surface just yet. You can see the logo has not touched yet, and then you can place it, get it ready for branding. Using the left index finger to hold it down, taking the right with the activator cloth over your index finger, and applying pressure, like so. I'm just trying to that's simple. If you need to go back, you can, and you get a nice transfer onto your coffee mug. Alright, next step, we're going to spray some of our PPX chemical, polypropylene chemical on here. We're using a spray gun. We will be introducing your spray bottles or spray cans to make it a bit easier for the people that do not want to buy a compressor. Carry on. Alright, sprays off the product and then onto it. This is adding a top coat layer onto the logo, making it extremely durable. We're going to use a heat gun now to fuse that. Let's go across the heat gun. It's got our working station here. Alright, take your heat gun. Make sure it gets to temperature first before we're using heat. Okay. Alright, and that is now a finished product. Live, Love, Sparkle, and that is Allison. Once that is dried and cured, give it about 15 minutes to dry, and a curing process of about an hour, and then you can now handle that, and it will be perfect for market. That'll be completely scratch resistant, and then also dishwasher proof if you put it into a dishwasher. Thanks guys, that's how we do a nice fancy plastic coffee mug.